Broccoli cheese soup has always been one of my favorites, so today we're gonna go ahead and make a broccoli cheese soup. You can make this with either chopped carrots or grated carrots. I'm going to grate them. This is maybe about a third of a white onion, chopped very fine. I'm just gonna cook it about 4 minutes. We want to add 2 cups of vegetable broth. Now you want to whisk in 2 cups of half and half. Let this simmer about 15 to 20 minutes and reduce. Whisk occasionally to reincorporate the skin that forms. After this is simmered for about 15-20 minutes, we're gonna add the broccoli, the carrot, the onion and garlic that we sauteed earlier, and our seasonings. Now we're gonna add our carrot. Now we're gonna add our onion and garlic that we sauteed. Okay, now we're gonna add a half a teaspoon of salt, 3/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper, a half teaspoon of paprika, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Now we're gonna let this simmer for about another 15 to 20 minutes. While this is simmering, we're gonna grate 8 ounces of cheese. I did a blend of sharp cheddar and Colby Jack cheese. Once these veggies have cooked for about 15-20 minutes, then we're gonna add the cheese in and stir until it is completely combined, and then our soup will be ready to go. Delicious. All right, this is simmered for about 17-18 minutes. Broccoli is fully cooked, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the cheese in. Gonna save just a little bit to throw over the soup. Quick, give this a taste. That's really good. It's delicious. Just the right amount of cheese.